Hey, what's up everybody? I know it's been a long time, but I missed making these kinds of videos, and so that's part of the reason I'm back. Anyway, I figured I'd ease back in with just a quick unboxing video to see what y'all think. Today, I have here the GameSir G8 Plus, and I heard some pretty good things about it, so I figured I'd try it out for myself and see what all the hype is about. Let me say this from the beginning, I game, but nowadays it's only every now and then, but unlike me, if you use your phone most of the time for casual gaming, then stick around because this one is for you. Enan here from Droid Mania. So let's get to it. First off, let me be clear though. Now, I might not be the biggest gamer out there when it comes to mobile devices, but I told myself, hey, if I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it right. I want the best experience I can get. And I am hoping that's what the G8 Plus is giving. That's what we're gonna find out. Things are packaged pretty nicely. Not a lot of wasted materials and a few extras inside the box, like these extra joysticks. I bought this controller to use with my Z Fold 6, and as you can see, it fits unfolded with no issues. This is a plus for me and my old eyes because I need the big screen. Seems to keep the phone pretty stable, so I'm not worried about it falling out, but you never know. I'll have to see how it does over the coming weeks. If you have the Galaxy S24 Ultra, that fits perfectly fine too. It kind of reminds me of a Nintendo Switch with this setup. I also tried my Pixel 9 Pro XL to get a sense of how the Pro Max would look too. As you can see, it does work with a lot of device sizes, including tablets, for those of us with a larger form factor. From the time you see this video, I've already had the controller for about a week now, and I played several games, and I think the handheld experience is next level. I mean, it's very good. So good that I had to throw in some gameplay samples to give you an idea of what it's like, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm gonna just go ahead and say this. I'm pretty happy with my purchase for anybody wondering, especially since I got it at a discount. If you're interested and want to learn more about the G8 Plus, I got a link down below, so go and check it out, okay? When it comes to the build quality, yep, I'm impressed. The controller is very well made. The buttons are clicky and tactile, just like you want. And when gaming, it does have a premium feeling in the hand, but we'll get into those details in my top 25 games for controllers, so make sure to stick around. That being said though, I think that the G8 Plus by GameSir is a go. So if you like it, check it out for yourself. So there you guys have it. If you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.